So we started today's video with this stunning mini bob haircut. This one features some bangs in the front and it really has a nice shaggy feel to it. We're seeing a lot of shaggy bob, shaggy pixies this season, and this is right on trend with all of the hot hairstyles. I also really adore the coloring. She has more blonde at the top, more of like a honey blonde, and then going darker towards the base of the hair. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to take a look at some more beautiful haircut ideas that you can try out this season. So here we have someone rocking the burgundy red hair color trend, and she's getting her hair cut into a bob. Oh, the color looks absolutely beautiful. It's kind of like the cherry cola shade that we've been seeing floating around. The dark cherry look. Very pretty. Nice bottleneck bangs in the front. And then we see someone with a copper colored blunt bob style. And then we see Rosario Dawson. Who has decided to switch things up to this beautiful choppy style pixie cuts. Oh, she looks absolutely stunning, especially with her jawline, her bone structure. This is just gorgeous. And she is such a talented actress. So then we see someone else who decided to get a bob. Wow. So we have several people showcasing the bob haircuts. I love it. So many fun ways to rock a bob this season. And then we have someone with an asymmetrical pixie. She has this gorgeous platinum blonde hair color. Very nice. And then we see another hair transformation. So she decided to get a bob haircut. Loving this blonde that she has mixed in with the black. Such a gorgeous color combination. And then we have an undercut pixie style. And with this undercut, she can wear the hair worn to one side or the other, or all slicked back. So she definitely has a lot of variety with the styling. So many options she can play around with. And then we have another pixie style here. Nice, bold, bright blonde color. And this one also features an asymmetrical shape to frame out the face. Beautiful. And then we have a pixie here. Oh, her makeup is so gorgeous. So she has a nice mix of finger waves and curls throughout. Beautiful. Another gorgeous asymmetrical pixie, some blonde sprinkled in. Then we have a beautiful volumized bob here from Chris Jones Hair. Wow, look at that body. Absolutely stunning. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.